About the freeze-drying process of various fruits and vegetables, lemons, due to their unique properties, typically require a longer time to complete the process. Many suppliers' freeze dryers take 20 to 30 hours to finish freeze-drying lemons, with some home use one need more than 40 hours. However, our efficient freeze dryer can significantly shorten this time, typically completing a batch of lemons in about 11 hours. Customers have expressed unbelievable and want to personally supervise the entire process. We have recorded the time and we can review it together. The special properties of lemons. 1. High moisture content. Lemons' moisture content is about 85% to 90%. The high moisture content need more time to gradually remove moisture during the freeze-drying process. 2. Strict temperature control. Freeze-drying lemons requires relatively low temperatures to prevent the loss of nutrients and flavor. Excessively high temperatures may cause changes in the lemon's color. In contrast, other fruits or vegetables are less sensitive to temperature variations, leading to a relatively shorter freeze-drying time. 3. Complex structure. The lemon's peel and flesh structure are dense, with an even moisture distribution, and are made up of multiple juice cells, making it difficult for water vapor to escape. This complexity requires more time for moisture removal. 4. Preservation effect. Freeze-drying lemons requires precise temperature and vacuum regulation to maintain optimal taste, nutritional content, and aroma. Since lemons are sensitive to changes in temperature and humidity, they must be dehydrated gradually at low temperatures over an extended period to ensure the highest quality final product. Advantages of our efficient freeze dryer. Our efficient freeze dryer can complete a batch of lemons in 11 hours, saving a significant amount of time compared to traditional equipment. For large-scale production, the difference between 11 hours and 24 hours means that production output can be doubled in the same amount of time, thereby reducing production costs. The importance of choosing efficient freeze-drying equipment. When investing in a freeze-drying production line, it is crucial to choose an efficient freeze dryer. The drying time directly affects production efficiency and costs. Therefore, focusing on the freeze-drying time and efficiency of the equipment can significantly improve production benefits. We are the commercial freeze dryer manufacturer with more than 20 years experience. If you have more questions about freeze dryers, feel free to leave a comment below.